Hello friends, in this video we'll discuss about the merge query in the Power BI. Such query, when you merge you typically join two queries that are either within Excel or from an external data source. In addition, the merge feature has an intuitive user interface to help you easily join two related tables here. Now we'll see the merge queries with the example. Yeah, this is my Power BI screen where we have the two column product underscore ID and product underscore ID. Where in the one of the table it is having null value. We see here it is having null. Now we are going to merge this both product ID means small PRODUCT underscore ID and caps PRODCUT underscore ID. So to merge this table, we first select these two. Now merge is the opposite of split. So for that, in the transform, go to the merge columns. In the separator here, we have like colon, comma, equal sign, semicolon, space, tab, or if we want some custom separator, we can also use that. But in here, in our case, it is none. Now new column name, it is optional, but if you want, we can give here, like okay, we'll give combined product ID. Now okay. Now this is our combined product ID. Here we can see earlier what were your null value that is being replaced with the equivalent product ID. Now we'll see one more example here. We have the one store ID here. Now if you go to the right side, here one more store ID column. So just drag and drop it to the nearby store ID column. Yes. Now this is store underscore ID and this is capital S store underscore ID here. Now we can see here we have some null value. So now we are going to merge these two columns as well. So transform, this is merged column. Separator will be none and then merge columns will combined store ID. Okay. Now we can see a combined store ID created where null value have been replaced with the previous corresponding value from the store ID. So this is all about the merge query in the Power BI.